Hello, everyone, and welcome to our exciting series on microeconomics. And I'm your instructor Jamal. Hi there. Okay, to begin with a brand new chapter. Today we are starting chapter 4, which is the market forces of supply and demand. And today we will cover demand. Let's start. So, are you noticing that in winter the price of t-shirts and shorts are decreasing? Similarly, the prices of warm clothes they are increasing. Or the other example is that when weather turns warm in New England, in every summer prices of hotel rooms they tend to rise. What these events have in common? Price increase or decrease due to some kind of change, right? So the supply and demand are the two words that economists used most often. So supply and demand are the forces that make market economies work, and we will think about that. So if you want to know how an event affects the economy, think first about how it will affect demand and supply. So in our previous example, when winter hits Shanghai or in your area, the price of t-shirts and shorts they tend to decrease. Now you can convert it and think in terms of demand and supply, and you can have the answer. Similarly, in every economic situation, if you think about all the situation in terms of demand and supply, you may have your answer. Okay, so to begin with, we will be talking about the market forces of demand and supply. So first, we'll talk about the market. So the term supply and demand refers to the behavior of people as they interact with one another in competitive markets. So there are two words here that are more important, that is market and competition. So let's explore them. The market is a group of buyers and sellers of particular goods or services. So that place where there are many buyers, many sellers, and they are exchanging goods and services here. So what we call then demand? So buyers determine the demand for the product and sellers determine supply for the product. So it means demand is created by buyers and supply is created by supplier or sellers or producers. So here is a concept checker. So I just want you to pause the video for a second and just read all the options here and try to find the best option. So this is MCQ's question to test your concept, and they're going to be furthermore in our coming slides. Okay, so a market is a way to characterized, or market is always characterized by a high degree of organization, b an individual or small group of individuals who set the price of the product for all the buyers and sellers. No. A high degree of organization, always? No, because there is a word always. The presence of buyers and sellers, yes. All of above, cannot. Right? So here's our answer. Hooray! So we have just answered correct. So to move further, so a market may take many forms. One form is called organized, highly organized, and one is called less organized. So in highly organized markets, buyers and sellers they meet at specific time and place where auctioneer helps set the price. For example, agriculture market. So this market is highly organized, means it will start for a specific period of time and on a specific place, right? So auction market, agriculture market, this is like highly organized market. The less organized market, in which buyers and sellers don't meet and don't meet at particular time and place, and there is no such auctioneer to call out the price, and sellers and buyers are closely connected. Think about nowadays markets. Are we in highly organized market or are we in less organized market? So consider the market for ice cream, right? So do we go to the market of the or place where the ice cream sells, and there is another person who tell us the price of the market and auction that one as well? No way. It means that is less organized market, in which just buyers and sellers, they are closely connected, right? You ask the price, if the price is right for you, buy it, and you can go further. And there is no specific time and place. You can just buy ice cream anywhere, right?